Screen recording, it's a big thing you need to know if you are a computer lover. Because sometimes you need to show what you're doing in your computer to your friends. If your friends need some suggestion, you can record your screen and you can share your screen recording to your friend. Even if you're working in a freelancing site, like sometimes client need to know different things, you can share your things by recording your screen. Whatever you do, like in your computer, you can record those things and share to your friends, family, or to your client. So that's why you need to learn how to record your screen. Actually, there are different ways, many ways to record your screen. There are many software like Faststone, Camtasia, OBS screen recording software. All those are not free actually, and all those have some different advanced settings you need to know. But today in this video, I'll let you know how to record your screen very simply, just on-click process. You don't need to install any kind of those software. You can do just from your computer. It's very easy. So to do that, all you need to just open a Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. If you have a computer, I think you must have a Microsoft Word. So you can record your screen if you have Microsoft Word 13 above, like Microsoft Word 16 2019. So I have installed Microsoft 2016 in my computer. Now all you have to do is just click on new and click on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Now open up your Microsoft PowerPoint file, and now all you can do just click on insert from your above tab and click on screen recordings. Now it has different settings, like you can include your audio from your mouth microphone. You can hide your cursor recording. Now select the area you want to record. I want to record my whole screen. Just drag the whole screen and start recording. Okay, you can see you can use this hotkey. So now you know all the things I am doing right now. It's been recording by Microsoft PowerPoint. It's very easy. Whatever you do in your computer, whatever you are doing, whatever you are showing, whatever you are teaching, like if you Microsoft Word, even suppose okay, let's see a advanced trick. I'm gonna show you now a advanced trick. Suppose press F5 or do this slideshow button, click this button. Now it will show you PowerPoint presentation slide. Now if you want to drag something like here, yeah, click this link and pen. Suppose you have a student and you want to show something like whatever you do. I'm not good at drawing actually. You can show your face or something. You can draw from here. You can change pen color, like this is the advanced thing Microsoft present PowerPoint having. All those recording software, they don't have this kind of advanced facilities, but it's having on Microsoft PowerPoint. Even if you want to erase all those things, you can click those things. And if you have bunch of text and you want to highlight those text, or you can use laser point like this one, you can show the text line or something. Even you can change your skin color, like if you press black B from your keyboard, it will change your skin. You know what? Now you can draw again. Let's change pen color to white. Yeah, it's fine. So whatever you are doing right now, it's been recording. It's recording on your computer. Okay, press escape from your keyboard. Even if you visit any website, like suppose you want to show some website to your client, then it's been recording on your screen. So by the way, friends, it's my website www.learningbean.com, learning-bean. It's my personal blog website. It's a good news that I have approved my AdSense. It's showing my ad. So I hope you will love this website. If you want to learn something about technology related tutorials or blog posts or tech news or anything about computer, mobile, please okay, let's see how to pause your recording. Take your mouse above and click this stop button. It will automatically include to your PowerPoint presentation slide, you can play it. Okay, play this button. So now you know all the things I am doing right now, since on your skill related tutorials or blog post or tech tune. So all the things you are hearing right now, it's from your Microsoft screen recorder. Let's play the use or okay, you have recorded all those things. And how to save your screen recording video? Click on file and then click on export and click on create video, and show your place where you want to show your file, where you want to save your file, and you can rename it screen recording, whatever you want to save. Like click on save. Now you can change file type. MP4 will be best for you. Now click on save. Okay, it may take some time to save your record. So already it's saved on my computer. So I hope friends you have liked my video. If you really like my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more update. So thank you for watching. In my next video I'll come with some kind of advanced Microsoft PowerPoint tutorials, tips and tricks. So bye bye.